Bear, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get it. No. You keep trying to get away. I don't think you can. Oh yes, coming towards me is totally working. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Here it comes. I'm gonna get it. Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. No. You dropped that box. You dropped that box, mister. Bear. Oh, Bear. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. No. Give me that. It's too big for you to carry around. Don't look at me like that. Give me that. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You got stuck because it's too big. Bear, just drop the box. He's like, no, no, mommy. I want to chew on the box. Give me that box. You give me that. You give me that. No.
You make me spill my coffee, I will skin you alive.
No.